back with highlights of Game 7, Clippers and Grizzlies. Blake Griffin was a game-time decision before Game 6 with a left knee injury. And before Game 7, he's doing a 360 dunk in the warm-up. Zach Randolph, former Clipper, getting ready to close out his former team, or at least try to. And neither team could shoot in the first quarter. The Clippers shot 28%. And the Grizzlies shot 27%. Clippers led 16-13 after the first quarter. It was that kind of game, man.
It was. It was a playoff game. We talk about defense, and guys not catching their rhythm. And then you can tell in the second quarter it started to get going.
Chris Paul from Nick Young. Paul beat the shot clock. Clippers by 5. Mo Williams puts them up 10.
Mo Williams taking care of business. Going back to his Cleveland days when he was an all-star.
33-23, LAC. Marc Gasol getting Memphis back in it.
Well, nice spin move out Gasol, and that's where he needs to be and plant himself on the block and go to work.
He made the free throw, made it a 7-point game. Rudy Gay is going to drive and put in the layup. He brought Memphis within 1, and that was where it stood at halftime. Clippers had a 1-point lead, and then third quarter, Chris Paul loses it. Rudy Gay grabs the loose ball. He's going to feed Mike Conley. Nice two-on-one fast break here. Conley puts it in. Memphis up 1, and they seesaw leads in the third. It's Chris Paul's turn.
Yes, it is. You can see that high pick and roll. He took advantage with his speed, didn't allow the defense to be able to corral him, and got a nice little mid-range jump shot.
Here comes the Clippers bench. Hamed Haddadi with the rock, and he throws it away. Intercepted by Reggie Evans. The Clippers are breaking. Nick Young hits a 3. Clippers by 4.
There he is, Nick Young, a free spirit of the NBA.
Nick Young, drives here, misses. Look at Kenyon Martin.
Kenyon Martin also getting it done as well. Hey, this doesn't affect me. I've been in bigger situations than this.
That's what he said at the presser after the game. Mo Williams with the 3 with 7 minutes to go. Clippers up 10. Marc Gasol and the Grizzlies trying to fight back. It's an 8-point game. Gasol with the jam makes it a 6-point game. But the Clippers bench took care of business in the fourth quarter. Eric Bledsoe, Nick Young, Mo Williams, Kenyon Martin. Bledsoe scoring here, and the Clippers bench helps to close out the Grizzlies. And here was the scene in the Clipper locker room after winning Game 7.
We out-rebounded them. We won the game. The bench, everybody that came off the bench in this series, this game, we played together. We won together as a team. I'm proud of you guys. Stay together.
Wheels hit that ground in San Antonio.
Hey, man.
We got some work to do.
Chris Paul keeping the Clippers focused, baby. We still got work to do. We got the Clippers coming up Tuesday night at 9:30 on TNT. Game 1 from Old San Antonio. So the Clipper bench closes out Game 7 and pushes the Clip ship into the second round for the third time in franchise history and the first time since 2006. And it's the first time in Clipper history that they win a Game 7.